Alright everyone, welcome back. This is episode 1. We're going to talk about support, resistance, and trend lines. If you don't know what these things are, then you're definitely in the right place, and by the end of this video you will certainly know. It's one of the most important things to understand for price floors, ceilings, comparing different time frames, and predicting buying and selling pressure. These are some of the simplest and easiest forms of doing technical analysis that will come in handy no matter how experienced you are when it comes to investing. Now this example here, this is looking at support and resistance levels for Bitcoin. You can see where there was resistance met at around $59,000 to $60,000 and the price fell back down, but there's also support when the price hits a new low and then bounces back up from there. So you can follow on the chart here these general trends of where a price point hits a resistance or a new high or a support level, which is a new low. And these areas of support and resistance tend to give traders an idea of when a price will move in a certain direction, okay? It's actually, even though the price has gone down sharply in the short term on the 3-hour trend, we can see that the long-term trend is actually going to continue going to the upside. So someone who's going long on Bitcoin would find that to be a positive example. This is the 3-hour short-term downward trend, showing that it's headed in a negative price direction. But it has recently hit an area of support that might bring it to a near-term resistance point, and someone looking to do a quick trade on Bitcoin can make a short profit. Now it depends on how active you are in trading. There is no such thing as a perfect trade. People make mistakes. However, there are people who pay attention and they learn to make money pretty fast. So that was the first episode of our course. You can follow me on Twitter, like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.